I am so excited to talk about Powerhouse amino acid protein treatment because we use this in our salon every single day. And we have been in business for 27 years and we've been stylists for over 30 years. And one of the things of a great stylist is that I am so excited to talk about Powerhouse amino acid protein treatment because we use this in our salon every single day. And we have been in business for 27 years and we've been stylists for over 30 years. And one of the things of a great stylist is that they try to always keep the best products in hand for their clients. And I've used many products. We have used many products over the years. But this Powerhouse amino acid protein treatment has been by far one of the best treatments to stop damaged hair from continuing to go into that area where it's like irreparable. Powerhouse, it rebuilds broken bonds. And that's the most important thing. Like when the bonds break in the hair. Which is so important to know that every time you comb your hair, every time you shampoo your hair, every time you style your hair, bonds are being manipulated and they're easily broken. And over time, so many bonds are broken that the hair becomes into this damaged state. And once it's in this damaged state, it's hard for you to style your hair or make it look presentable in a way that you're happy with it. The Powerhouse amino acid it's like, I feel like it's something that should be in everybody's toolbox, their styling toolbox. It will prevent your hair from shedding. It will, over time, with at least about 2 to 3 different uses, it will stop your hair from shedding, providing that there's nothing going on within your body, like medically, that's causing your hair to shed. But if it's just like a hair issue, it really rebuilds that hair. And I am proud to stand behind this product. Like, I cannot stand behind a product that does not work. And I use it on my clients religiously. My team use it on our clients religiously. It is a product that I'm just proud to have as a part of what we offer to our clients. So Powerhouse amino acid treatment is like the best in the business. I'm hands down. I've used a lot of products and I am sold on Powerhouse amino acid protein treatment. It is second to none. It's second to none. I love it. I love it so much. And I just encourage you to just try it out. Use it on your wash day at home or when you're doing even your children's hair. Is great for their hair. It keeps infusing this keratin, this rich keratin in the hair to strengthen it and to rebuild like that wear and tear from everyday handling of your hair. And it gets weak and it just rebuilds those bonds and strengthen that hair in a way that you're definitely going to notice. So yeah, Powerhouse is where it's at. We love it.